Along with updating Springfield's Development Code, changes have been made to some of the definitions related to the code. The following terms have been updated to reflect various changes within the code. Accessory dwelling units, also called ADUs, are defined as a secondary self-contained dwelling that may be allowed only in conjunction with a detached single-unit dwelling. An accessory dwelling unit is subordinate in size to the primary detached single-unit dwelling and has a separate kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area and may be located within, attached to, or detached from the primary single-unit dwelling. A dwelling unit, also simply called dwelling or unit, is a single unit providing complete, independent living facilities for one or more persons, including permanent provisions for living, sleeping, eating, cooking, and sanitation. Kitchen is any indoor habitable area designed or used for preparation or cooking of food and includes any three of the following: a sink larger than 18 inches by 18 inches, a 220-volt electrical outlet, a gas or propane service line, a dishwashing machine, a range hood, exhaust vent or similar equipment, or a stove, range, or oven. Lot coverage is the area of a lot, parcel, property, or development area covered with a structure excluding up to 18-inch eaves overhangs. Single room occupancy, or SRO, is a residential property that contains multiple single room dwelling units where each unit is for occupancy by a single eligible individual. The unit need not, but may, contain food preparation or sanitary facilities, or both. Wet bar, an area, other than a kitchen, that contains a sink with a maximum size 18 inches by 18 inches. The maximum size of the trap arm and drain for the wet bar sink must not exceed 1 1/2 inches. The area is not a wet bar if any of the following is also present: a sink larger than 18 inches, a 220-volt electrical outlet, a gas or propane service line, a dishwashing machine, a range hood, exhaust vent or similar equipment, or a stove, range, or oven. The following terms have been added as part of the Development Code updates. Building footprint. As applicable to cottage cluster housing development, the horizontal area as seen in plan, measure from outside of all exterior walls and supporting columns. It includes dwellings and any area of attached garage that exceeds 200 square feet. It does not include detached garages or carports, accessory structures, trellises, patios, areas of porch, deck, and balcony less than 30 inches from finished grade, cantilevered covers, porches, or projections, or ramps and stairways required for access. The term middle housing refers to duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, cottage cluster housing, and townhouses. There are now two types of short-term rentals included with the updated code. The first, Type 1 short-term rental, is a single-unit dwelling occupied by one or more occupants as a primary residence and where lodging is provided for compensation, with or without meals, for a period of less than 30 consecutive calendar days, counting portions of calendar days as full days, for more than 7 calendar days per year. A Type 2 short-term rental is a single-unit dwelling not occupied as a primary residence, arranged or used for lodging for compensation, with or without meals, for a period of less than 30 consecutive calendar days, counting portions of calendar days as full days, for more than 7 calendar days per year. Finally, walkable distance is defined as the shortest distance as measured along a straight line between a point along the perimeter of the development site and a point along the property line of the destination. For more information regarding these terms and additional changes to Springfield's Development Code, visit our city website at springfield-or.gov.